Hi everyone, welcome back to my online class. I'm Mr. Dev. So how are you doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and healthy. So in this opportunity, we're gonna learn about tenses. So our discussion for the tenses today is simple present tense. Is there anybody knows what simple present tense is? Ada yang tahu apa itu simple present tense? Alright, so let's check it out. Simple present tense here is used to express everyday activity or daily habits. Simple present also expresses general statement of facts. Jadi simple present tense di sini biasa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan aktivitas sehari-hari atau suatu kebiasaan. Selain itu, simple present juga bisa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan kenyataan yang sudah tidak bisa dibantah kembali. The pattern of verbal form here in positive sentence is the subject is followed by verb s or es plus object. For the subject I, you, they, we or plural atau bentuk jamak is commonly followed by base form of the verb or verb 1. For the subject he, she, it or third person singular is commonly followed by verb which added s or es. Subject he, she, it or third person singular atau orang ketiga tunggal is commonly followed by verb s or es. Es for the for added es here, for the suffix es here is added when the verbs are ended by suffix ch, sh, o, ss, and y. Jadi penambahan es di belakang kata kerja untuk subjek he, she, it biasanya ditambah ketika kata kerjanya berakhiran dengan huruf ch, sh, o, ss, dan y. Look at this one. Watch. For the verb watch, ch, kata kerja watch di sini berakhiran dengan huruf ch. This you may add es, so become watches. Go, kata kerja ini juga berakhir dengan huruf O, maka kalian menambahkan es menjadi goes. Do become does. Pass, passes. Kiss, kisses. Was, washes. Study, studies. For the study, we need to change Y into I and then you can add es. Jadi Y-nya diganti dulu menjadi I, kemudian ditambahkan es menjadi studies. Beside this verb which ended by ch, is, sh, o, ss, and y, you may add s only. Jadi selain kata kerja yang berakhiran huruf ch, sa, o, ss, dan y ini, kata kerja tersebut hanya ditambahkan s. Seperti contoh speak, you just add s in the end of the verb, so become speaks. Drinks, drink, so you may add s, so become drinks, and so on. The simple present tense here is used to express habits. Jadi bisa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu kebiasaan. Look at the example here. Number 1, my father drinks coffee every morning. Number 2, I drive car to work. Number 3, he goes to school by bicycle. Jadi those sentences is commonly express habits atau kebiasaan. Besides that, the simple present tense also can be used to express general statement of facts. Bisa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan suatu kenyataan yang sudah tidak bisa dibantah kembali. For example, number 1, the sun rises in the east. Jadi matahari terbit di timur. The earth revolves around the sun. Bumi mengitari matahari. Rabbit eats vegetable. Jadi kelinci makan sayur-sayuran. So those sentences express general statement of facts. Simple present tense also can be used to express repeated action or events. Jadi bisa digunakan untuk mengungkapkan action atau kegiatan yang berulang. For example, we catch the bus every morning. Number 2, it rains every afternoon in the hot season. Number 3, they drive to Monaco every summer. So those sentences express repeated action or events. Okay. And now we are going to continue to make negative sentence in simple present tense. When we make simple present in negative sentence, so we are going to use the auxiliary verb do and akan menggunakan kata kerja bantu do and does which followed by not. So the pattern is subject here followed by do not or does not plus verb 1 or base verb and followed by the object. For the subject I, you, we, they, this followed by or they use do not or don't. For subject he, she, it, they use does not or doesn't. For example, I do not work, or you may say I don't work. You do not work, or you don't work, and so on. And then he does not work, or you may say he doesn't work. Look at the example here. Number 1, they don't have breakfast today, or you may say they do not have breakfast today. Number 2, he doesn't like durian, or you may say he does not like durian. Number 3, Mr. Putu doesn't teach our class today, or you may say Mr. Putu does not teach our class today. Basically, when you say do not or with contraction don't or does not with contraction doesn't, there is no big difference here. However, don't or doesn't commonly used in spoken English. Jadi don't or doesn't biasa lebih umum dipakai ketika kita berbicara. Okay, and next we are going to continue to make interrogative sentence atau kalimat bertanya atau kalimat tanya. Okay. In interrogative sentence here, okay, we are going to use do and does again. However, do and does here precede the subject to make interrogative sentence. Akan tetapi do dan does di sini digunakan untuk membuat kalimat tanya. Mereka akan mendahului subjek. Jadi mereka datangnya sebelum subjek. Jadi penggunaan do dan does datang sebelum subjek. Look at this one. Do I work? Do you work? Do we work? Do they work? So I, you, we, they itu menggunakan kata kerja bantu do. Dan do mendahului subjek. Does he, does she, does it work? So he, she, it menggunakan kata kerja bantu does. Dan does mendahului subjek juga. Look at the pattern here. So do and does plus subject plus base form of or verb 1 and plus object. Look at the example here. Do you have breakfast today? Number 2. Does he work in Rush? Number 3. Do they come late to class every morning? Number 4. Does your dog bite? So in this interrogative sentence, all the auxiliary verb do and does precede the subject. Jadi semua kata kerja bantu dalam kalimat ini mendahului subjek atau datangnya sebelum kata kerja. So when you say you have breakfast today, okay, basically this one is not appropriate. When you make a interrogative sentence, so you have to use do here. So the correct sentence become, do you have breakfast today? So every time you make a question in simple present tense, which followed by the verb, so you have to use do and does in the beginning before the subjects. Okay. Yes, no question by using do and does. So we can make a question by using do and does here with a short answer. Jadi yes, no question di sini menggunakan kata kerja bantu do dan does. Dan biasanya jawabannya pendek, yaitu yes dan no. Look at example here. Do you speak English in class? So the answer is, you may say, yes, I do. Or, no, I do not. Or you can say, no, I don't. Number 2, does she get extra lesson in campus? So the answer is, yes, she does. Or, no, she does not. Or you may say, no, she doesn't. Do they work here? So the answer is, yes, they do. No, they do not. Or no, they don't. Number 4, does your mother cook fish today? So yes, she does. No, she does not. Or no, she doesn't. For the example number 4, does your mother cook fish today? So you may change the noun of your mother become pronoun atau kata ganti she. Jadi your mother di sini diganti menggunakan kata ganti she. So from those questions, all the answers is short answer. Jadi semuanya menggunakan jawaban pendek penggunaan yes sama no. So when the question using does, so the answer using does. When the answer using do, the question using do, so the answer using do too. But based on the subject as here. Alright, so this tenses is a really basic. So if you would like to able to communicate well here, so you have to master these tenses or simple present tense. So before I end this class, I would like to tell you about these tenses. Simple present tense only used to express daily habit or everyday activity. Jadi tolong tenses ini dipraktekkan kembali di rumah, baik penggunaan positif, negatif, ataupun bertanya. To make it perfect, practice this one with your partner or with your friends. And so that's all for our class, our lesson today. Don't forget to practice them again and see you on next class. Goodbye, guys.